There are multiple ways to access an existing Google spreadsheet. One is by going to Google Drive. You can do that by going to the Apps Launcher at the top of your screen and selecting Drive, or you can simply type drive.google.com into your address bar. Once you're here, if you see your spreadsheet, you can double-click it to open it, or you can go into the Drive search bar and type the name of your spreadsheet. Once it pops up, you can click on it here to open it. Another option is to go to sheets.google.com. You can also access that through the Apps Launcher as well. And then if you've recently worked on this particular spreadsheet, it's going to show up here at the top. You also have the option again to go up into search and search the same way.